Hi everybody, I'm going to do another food review for you. Snack Packs chocolate pudding. You can get vanilla or butterscotch or tapioca. You can get the ones with the fudge in the middle. Those are good too. Yeah. Dig in. Made with real milk. Ooh. Yeah. Mm. It's really, really good. Mm. It's made with real milk, which makes it really creamy. Mmm. Chocolatey. Ah. Mm. You can get whatever flavor you want. You can get chocolate, vanilla, tapioca, butterscotch, or banana pudding. Banana pudding's real good too. Mm. Yeah, you can find these in the pudding aisle in your local grocery store, where the desserts are. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Snack packs. Spoonfuls of yum. They got that right. It's really good. Yeah. I don't have any milk. Or, well, it already has milk in it, so I'm not going to drink any milk. It would taste good with milk too. Mm. So, you can comment down below what flavor of pudding you like. Yeah, comment down below, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. And I'll see you later. Bye.